G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help show the colours. Looks like the colour might go in under here a little bit. Can't guarantee for how far. There's colour coming back out over here, so it looks like it might go through. But basically, that's what it is. Similarly with this piece, it's just a small face of colour. Piece over here, different over there because it's on a different plane. Just nice hard material, so it'll polish up nice. Good little deal for someone to try the hand at Boulder. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.